Good evening, everyone. Good evening, world. Good evening, Singapore. Okay, we are here at the Garden of the Bay, Singapore. It's a rainy evening, guys. That is the view. Okay, let us see the bay. Yan. Nawala yung ilaw ng Garden of the Bay. Yan yung malaking Ferris wheel. Yung building. Ayan pala. Ayan guys. Yan. Naga-off and on ang ilaw. Guys. Yan ang dinarayo ng turista dito ngayon sa Singapore. The Gardens of the Bay. Halina kayo dito guys, mamasyal. This is an unplanned trip. Kasi ano siya, malapit siya. 5 hours ang biyahe namin from Kuala Lumpur. Yan guys, nag-iba-iba ang ilaw. 5 minutes yung travel namin, pero nakarating kami dito sa Singapore proper 7 o'clock. Kasi nag-inspection pa sa immigration at tinatakan pa doon sa boundary ng aming passport. And guys, medyo maulan. Ang daming turista guys. Asan na yung dalawa? May ilaw-ilaw siya. Ganda. Guys, see the light. Ano yan? Hindi iba-iba. Nagtitiyaga kami. See? Ganda. Tinatiyagaan namin kahit umuulan. It's a rainy evening. Diba? Very colorful, very beautiful at night. And the biggest Ferris wheel. Ayan. Sasakay kami. Nasaan na yung dalawa? Alam ko muna, si Celine. Hello, Celine.
Hello, good evening.
Yun na. Ayan. Wait. Diba, guys? Teka. It's a rainy evening. Diba? Ang ganda. See? Tamang-tama. Timely na dumating tayo gabi na. Kasi yan makikita ang ganda. Kaya lang, may photo bomber yung kahoy. Ano Celine? Ano si ate yun?
Amazing Singapore.
Yeah.
One of the tourist attractions. Many people here are watching the different lights of
Garden of the Bay.
very beautiful lights.
May photo bomber, yung kahoy. Hindi tayo makalapit doon eh. Kasi ang daming ano. tao. Kuha tayo ng ano, magandang angulo.
Pulled out. It's no longer bottomless pit. It's just regular.
Parang Pasko. Parang Pasko, guys. So, dito. Patay ng magandang angulo. Okay, sorry mom. I want to eat a video also. With music. Yeah, the light is following the sound of the music.
We're taking a video as well.
Okay, thank you.